Nvidia to replace Intel in Dow Jones Industrial Average. Intel's 25-year reign has come to an end. Nvidia's addition to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, replacing Intel, marks a significant milestone in the semiconductor industry and the broader tech sector. This shift not only signifies the end of Intel's 25-year tenure, but also underscores the rapid advancements and changing dynamics within the semiconductor landscape. Here's an in-depth look at the implications of this change, the reasons behind it, and what it means for the future. The Dow Jones Industrial Average. An overview. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is one of the most prominent stock market indices in the world. Comprising 30 large publicly owned companies based in the United States, it serves as a barometer for the overall health of the US economy and is often used by investors as a benchmark for the market. Inclusion in the DJIA is a prestigious acknowledgement reflecting a company's significance and influence within the economy. Nvidia's ascension, Nvidia's rise in the semiconductor industry, has been nothing short of meteoric. Originally founded in 1993 with a focus on developing graphics processing units, GPUs, for gaming, the company has expanded its reach into various other high-growth markets, including artificial intelligence, AI, data centers, autonomous vehicles, and more. The primary driver of Nvidia's growth has been its GPUs, which are not only vital for rendering graphics in video games, but are also critical for AI and machine learning applications. Nvidia's GPUs are highly efficient at handling the parallel processing required for these tasks, making them the go-to choice for researchers, developers, and companies in the tech industry. Intel's legacy. Intel, on the other hand, has a storied history as a pioneer in the semiconductor industry. Founded in 1968, Intel played a crucial role in the development of microprocessors, which became the brains of personal computers and many other electronic devices. For decades, Intel dominated the market with its powerful processors and innovative technologies. However, in recent years, Intel has faced numerous challenges. The company has struggled with delays in its manufacturing processes, increased competition from rivals like AMD, and a slower pace of innovation compared to its earlier years. These issues have contributed to a decline in investor confidence and market share. Why Nvidia replaced Intel in the DJIA? The decision to replace Intel with Nvidia in the DJIA reflects several key factors. Market capitalization and growth. Nvidia's market capitalization has soared in recent years, surpassing Intel's. This growth is a testament to Nvidia's success in expanding beyond its traditional markets and tapping into new high-growth areas like AI and data centers. Technological innovation. Nvidia has been at the forefront of technological innovation, particularly in AI and machine learning. The company's GPUs are considered the best in the market for these applications, giving Nvidia a competitive edge. Financial performance. Nvidia's financial performance has been stellar, with strong revenue growth and profitability. In contrast, Intel has faced challenges in maintaining its growth and profitability, partly due to delays in product launches and increased competition. Changing industry dynamics. The semiconductor industry is evolving rapidly, with new technologies and applications driving demand. Nvidia's ability to adapt to these changes and capitalize on emerging trends has positioned it as a leader in the industry. Implications for Nvidia. Being included in the DJIA is a significant achievement for Nvidia and brings several benefits. Increased visibility. Inclusion in the DJIA raises Nvidia's profile among investors and the general public. This increased visibility can attract more investment and boost the company's stock price. Validation of strategy. Being added to the DJIA validates Nvidia's strategic focus on AI, data centers, and other high-growth areas. It reinforces the company's position as a leader in the tech industry. Investor confidence. Inclusion in the DJIA can boost investor confidence, as it signifies that Nvidia is considered one of the most important and influential companies in the US economy. Implications for Intel. For Intel, being removed from the DJIA marks the end of an era and signals the need for significant changes. Strategic reassessment. Intel will need to reassess its strategy and address the challenges it has faced in recent years. This may involve a renewed focus on innovation, improving manufacturing processes, and exploring new market opportunities. Rebuilding confidence. Intel must work to rebuild investor confidence by demonstrating that it can overcome its current challenges and regain its competitive edge. Adapting to industry changes. The semiconductor industry is evolving, and Intel will need to adapt to these changes. This includes investing in new technologies, exploring partnerships, and being more agile in responding to market demands. The broader impact on the semiconductor industry. The replacement of Intel by Nvidia in the DJIA reflects broader trends and shifts in the semiconductor industry. Rise of AI and machine learning. Increasing importance of AI and machine learning has driven demand for specialized chips like GPUs. Nvidia's success in this area highlights the growing significance of these technologies. Shift towards high-performance computing. High-performance computing is becoming more critical across various industries, from scientific research to finance. Nvidia's GPUs are well-suited for these applications, giving the company an advantage. Increased competition and innovation. Semiconductor industry is becoming more competitive, with new players and established companies vying for market share. This competition is driving innovation and pushing companies to continuously improve their technologies. The future of Nvidia and Intel. Looking ahead, both Nvidia and Intel have opportunities and challenges. Nvidia's growth prospects. Nvidia is well positioned to continue its growth, particularly in AI, data centers, and other high-growth markets. The company's focus on innovation and strategic investments will be key to its success. Intel's path to recovery. Intel has the potential to regain its leadership position, but it will require significant efforts to address its challenges. This includes improving its manufacturing processes, accelerating innovation, and exploring new market opportunities. Conclusion: a new era for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The inclusion of Nvidia in the DJIA and the removal of Intel marks a significant moment in the history of the index and the semiconductor industry. It reflects the rapid advancements in technology, the changing dynamics of the industry, and the importance of innovation and adaptability. For Nvidia, being added to the DJIA is a validation of its strategic focus and a recognition of its leadership in the tech industry. For Intel, it serves as a wake-up call and a reminder of the need to continuously innovate and adapt to remain competitive. As the semiconductor industry continues to evolve, both Nvidia and Intel will play crucial roles in shaping its future. The competition and innovation driven by these companies will benefit the broader tech ecosystem and drive advancements that will impact various industries and aspects of daily life. In summary, the replacement of Intel by Nvidia in the Dow Jones Industrial Average signifies a broader shift in the tech industry, highlighting the rise of AI and high-performance computing. This change underscores the importance of innovation, strategic vision, and adaptability in maintaining leadership in a rapidly evolving market. As Nvidia continues its ascent and Intel works to regain its footing, the semiconductor industry is set for an exciting and dynamic future.